Hallo YouTube, meine Schwanz spreche Deutsch. Ja YouTube, das ist richtig. See, it's great because now I have an excuse to talk to myself. I need to wear this all the time. You can move up now. Quickly. Sorry for the headshot! Come on, you can move up now. Just making sure, man. Sorry! That's all I could see, man, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry, man, all I could see. Check the bottom!
I've got something to put in you!
Get inside, come on. Watch that left, watch that left. Watch your fire, friendly's inside. Wait a minute, watch your fire. Clear! Oh man, this is not going to go well. Oh, this is a bad position. I regret this decision immediately! Watch the back and watch the right. Watch it, they're coming along the path. They're running along the path. Watch it, one more. Magazine. Tree line! Watch the trees! 12 o'clock at the door! Fucking hell, they're just respawning as I shoot them because they're just standing in their spawn. Watch yourself, don't stick your head out of any gaps. Do you want to get to that little piece of cover there and then lie down and fire in that way? Oh, sorry, man, sorry! What do you think? Oh, he's out of the game, he's walking home. I was shooting him, yeah. Oh, watch out. Not liking that, are they? Okay, if you need a hand or if you need to run away, give me a shout really quickly, yeah? Transition. No flanking on my watch, motherfucker! 2. Oh, fuck. Watch out, 2 at the top! Hit! Nice shot!
I've got something to put in you. I've got something to put in you. I've got something to put in you.
Is it recording? I'm going to lick your helmet.
Oh, no. That's going on YouTube.
At the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar.
Smile for the camera. Yeah, okay. Going on YouTube, guys!
At the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar.
Ring, 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 ring,